We're going to talk about the 4 A's to help you guys reach your goals. So, this is any goal you're trying to set and achieve for yourself. That could be making more money, losing weight, trying to reach a dream goal that you have in mind. These 4 A's is going to help you achieve that dream and that goal. We have them right here, okay? So, 4 A's. First one, it's not an order or anything, but I'm gonna go with ask. Asking. So asking is gonna be the number one thing. You wanna ask different things, meaning you wanna ask yourself, is this something that you want to achieve? Is this for you? You wanna ask questions, find people that you can learn from or study, and ask different types of questions. Try to knowledge yourself up. That's gonna help you a tremendous way. So always wanna ask questions. Just ask. That's pretty much what it is. Just ask. You don't know how to do something, find somebody that knows how to do it, and then ask them a bunch of questions and keep bugging them. There's no dumb question. Just remember that. No stupid question. Second one is going to be action. You always want to take action. Take action in what you're doing. Put yourself forward into it. Put yourself out there to take action for it. Okay, so you need more money to get a new car? Well, go put the work in and take action into getting it done. You want to lose weight? Take the action and get yourself in the gym so you can go and make that your goal to lose weight. Remember, you always want to take some type of action. So always take action, okay? Positive attitude. You want to have a positive attitude when it comes to things. A negative attitude is going to get you nowhere. It's actually going to get you going down faster than it's going to get you up. So always remember, have a positive mind and a positive attitude and outlook towards things, especially when you're trying to achieve a goal and you're trying to reach success. And then that's in anything you're trying to do. That's make more money, lose weight, get that dream car, get that dream job, get that dream woman or man. It's all on you guys. Just have a positive attitude that things are going to work out. Believe in yourself, have faith in yourself. Accountability. You want to have accountability. A lot of us don't like to have accountability. We want to blame others. You want to blame Stephen. You want to blame Jacob. You want to blame Sarah. You want to blame Anthony. There's too many people we can try to blame. Blame yourself. That's how you know you're growing, and that's how you know you're becoming a better individual for yourself, is when you take accountability and you blame yourself. Like, man, I'm a piece of because I didn't go to the gym today. Man, I really suck because I didn't do this to achieve my goal today. Oh, I ate terrible and I'm on this good diet and I ate terrible. Well, put that accountability on yourself and say, hey, since I ate bad, I'm gonna have to go to the gym and I'm gonna have to go work out extra hard the next 2 days just to get this meal that I ate that was bad off of me. So always have that accountability for yourself. Gotta remember to have accountability makes you a strong person, because a lot of people don't have accountability because we always want to blame others. Okay, so this didn't work out. I'm just going to blame Steven because he told me it would. Instead of just knowing yourself, hey, you fail, it's okay. That's how we learn in life, is by failure. And failing so hard that we get back up and keep trying. But guess what? You're 10 steps further than you were when you first started. So the 4 A's to help any of you guys reach success and any type of venture that you're trying to do. Go ahead, drop a comment, email me. Let's talk, let's chat. Peace and blessings.